Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. Next up, Orca helps developers manage multiple coding agents seamlessly for enhanced productivity. Orca is your go-to tool for running coding agents side by side, all in one place. Explore features like a mobile companion to monitor your agents on the go. Check out the supported agents, including Codex and Claude Code, for diverse capabilities. Installing Orca is straightforward, making it easy to get started right away. Join the community for support and collaboration with fellow Orca users. Next up, Agent Teams AI helps developers manage tasks autonomously through AI-powered teams, simplifying project workflows. Easily install Agent Teams AI to get started with your AI-powered project. Check out the table of contents for a quick overview of what's included. Discover what Agent Teams AI is and how it can streamline your workflow. See how Agent Teams AI compares to other solutions in the market. Follow the Quick Start guide to set up your first AI team effortlessly. Next up, AgentScope helps developers build and run transparent, trustworthy agents with ease. What is AgentScope 2.0? This section introduces a user-friendly framework for creating and managing agents. News highlights the latest updates and improvements within the AgentScope community. Community provides links to join discussions and connect with other AgentScope users. Quick Start offers a step-by-step guide to get your agents up and running fast. Hello, AgentScope. This section showcases a simple example to demonstrate AgentScope in action. Next up, Deerflow helps developers automate complex tasks efficiently using AI-powered subagents and tools. Deerflow 2.0 introduces a complete overhaul for enhanced performance and capabilities. Check out the official website for interactive demos and more detailed information. The coding plan from ByteDance Volk Engine outlines essential tools for running Deerflow. InfoQuest section provides insights into features and functionalities of Deerflow. The table of contents helps you navigate through all sections of the README easily. Next up, Skyvern automates your browser workflows, making repetitive tasks effortless for developers. How it works explains the technology behind Skyvern's automation capabilities. Demo showcases Skyvern in action, simplifying browser tasks effectively. Quick Start gets you up and running with Skyvern in no time. Skyvern Cloud offers a scalable solution for your automation needs. Run locally details how to set up Skyvern with a user interface and server. Next up, AI Job Search streamlines your job hunt by automating CVs, cover letters, and interview prep. AI Job Search is your AI-powered assistant for job applications. What this section explains how the framework works to aid your job search. Prerequisites detail what you need to run AI Job Search effectively. Quick Start gets you up and running with minimal setup in no time. Other commands provide extra features to enhance your job application experience. Next up, Blackbird helps developers quickly find accounts across social networks using usernames or emails. Blackbird is a robust OSINT tool for fast searches across over 600 platforms. AI integration provides automated user profiling without sharing sensitive data. For more details, check out the comprehensive documentation linked here. Next up, Y2A Auto is a powerful tool that automates moving YouTube videos to Akfun and Bilibili for developers. U2 Auto is your all-in-one solution for automating video transfers. Check out the project showcase to see the sleek dashboard and monitoring features. Explore the core highlights that make Y2A Auto stand out in automation. Dive into the functional overview, detailing its seamless video processing pipeline. Understand the project structure for easy navigation and deployment. Next up, ripgrep helps developers quickly search directories for regex patterns while ignoring unnecessary files. This section introduces ripgrep, a powerful tool for searching through files. Next up, Awesome Design MD helps developers generate visually consistent UI using simple Markdown design documents. Awesome Design MD allows you to easily create high-quality UI from design Markdown files. Design.md is a plain text document format for AI agents to generate consistent UI. Request a design.md file to get started with your own project instantly. AI design tools help you seamlessly integrate design systems into your workflow. Explore a curated collection of design.md files from popular brand design systems. Next up, Claude-relay-service empowers developers to build a secure, private API relay for Claude and other services. Claude-relay-service provides a self-hosted API relay for seamless access to multiple AI services. Important reminders highlight user risks and the need for compliance with service terms. Find out if this project fits your needs based on access, privacy, and cost-sharing concerns. Learn why self-hosting offers better privacy and performance compared to public alternatives. Explore the core features that enhance data security, cost transparency, and monitoring capabilities. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to Hub Mesh for more daily repo trends.